I'm Miss Heather, and I'm the Children's Specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. Welcome back to another Maker Craft. Today we are going to be making egg submarines. It might look something like this when you're all done. So to do this activity today, you will need a plastic egg, a pipe cleaner, something to weigh down your submarine, maybe some money or some small rocks. And you will need some of this blue tack, something sticky, or you could also try electric tape. You can use electric tape also for a decoration, and some permanent markers to make some decorations as well. Let's get started. First, you are going to want to use that blue tack, this stuff here, to seal up any of the holes that might be inside your egg. So you can also try using the electric tape for this part. I'm going to use my blue tack and I'm going to squish it around a little bit, get it nice and warmed up to make sure that it will work. I'm going to rip this one in half, and I am going to do the front part, or the narrow end of the egg first. So I'm going to put that blue tack right inside and push that in so that it fills up that hole. And if your egg has two holes like mine does, right in that front narrow end, make sure that you fill in both of those holes with the tack, and you can kind of see it pushing through to the outside. All right, so once you get that part set, you can put it aside, and we are going to use the pipe cleaner to make the propeller. So to do that, you'll bend maybe about an inch worth down and make a loop, and then bring your pipe cleaner around to keep that loop in place, and then you can make a loop again, and then you can bring your pipe cleaner around to keep that loop in place. I like to do 4 loops. I think that looks the most like a traditional propeller to me, and I'm just making a 3rd one here, bending my pipe cleaner around, and my 4th loop. All right, this looks pretty good to me. This looks like my propeller. And you can take that and use the leftover part to go right inside the wider end or the back of your egg. So you can put it right through the holes. If you have 2 holes like I do, you can loop it through the 2nd hole, and that will help it stay in place a little bit better. And you can attach the propeller together. Here we go, just like that. And to keep your submarine from filling with water, we can fill up those holes as well. Even though it has the pipe cleaner there, some water might still be able to get in. So get some more of your blue tack, or you can use your electric tape. Rip a little bit off, and you'll just push it right into where your pipe cleaner is. And this will also help it to stay in place. So I've got my first hole, and I've got some for my 2nd hole. All right, and that is the start of my submarine egg. Now that you have your blue tack blocking the holes on this side and it holding in the propeller on the other side, you can add in some money or some small rocks or anything else that has some weight, because if you choose to play with your submarine, then it will help to weigh it down and actually sink just like a submarine would in real life. I got my propeller on the back, and now I think we need a periscope, or the little thing that goes on top that helps the people inside see what's going on. So this is where your bendy straw comes in. You can pull that right out, and you can bend it, and then get a pair of scissors and snip it, because you don't want it to be too long to go outside of your egg. You want that to stay right inside. So you can use your scissors to cut off most of the bottom of the straw, right like that. And then you can put that inside your egg, like this, and carefully close your egg with that straw still inside. It's a little bit challenging, but once you've got it, it will work for you. Once you have your periscope straw in place, use one more piece of that blue tack, that sticky stuff, roll it up again. This time you can kind of make it like a snake in between your fingers. And you'll put that right around the base of the periscope. That will help it to stay upright and to stay in place. Get that all pushed right in there. Sometimes your egg might pop open again, and that's okay because you are getting it closed up again with that tack. So there we go. You have your periscope, you have your propeller, and now it's time to decorate our submarines. So I like to take some electric tape and put it around the sides like that. So that's what I'll do for my first decoration. I'm going to start right at the back with my propeller. Get that stripe in there. And bring that all the way around the front. And right over to the other side. Right back to the propeller again. And I'll cut off the part I don't need with some scissors. Get that all right onto my egg. And I think I might like to decorate that with some circles on the side. And submarines usually don't have windows, but these might look like a porthole. I'm going to use a silver permanent marker so that will show up on the black. And then I think I'm going to do 3 circles on this side and 3 circles on this side for my decorations. So just drawing right on top of the tape, 3 circles. I'm going to turn mine to the other side and do 3 more circles. 1, 2, and 3. And of course you can add in some other details as well. Maybe you want to put some dots right in between. Whatever you think to make your submarine look super, super cool. And you can add in a window on the front if you would like. So I'm going to do that with my black permanent marker and draw right on the front of mine. You can even draw a person sitting inside if you would like to. And there you have it. You have made a submarine out of an egg. And that's today's Maker Craft. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun making some egg submarines. You can like our YouTube channel and subscribe so that you don't miss another video. I'll have another Maker Craft for you next week. I hope you had fun today, and I hope to see you again next week. Thanks so much. Bye.